Mix Vaseline with baking soda and you'll never stop using this trick. I know it sounds simple, maybe even too simple, but once you see what this does, you'll understand why so many people swear by it. I didn't believe it at first either, but after trying it once, this became part of my routine. Stay with me until the end, because you're going to want to try this today. Let's start. Take a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of Vaseline. This ingredient has many uses, but what I'm about to show you will completely change the way you look at it. Now grab a pan and add a small amount of hot water. Not boiling, just hot enough to create gentle heat. Place the bowl with Vaseline inside the pan, like a water bath. This step is important. Slowly stir the Vaseline as it warms up. You'll see it start to soften and turn into a smooth, creamy texture. Take your time here. While this is melting, comment below with your city. I really like seeing where everyone is watching from. Once the Vaseline is fully melted and smooth, it's time for the next ingredient. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, just 1. That's all you need for this to work properly. Now mix everything very well until the mixture becomes uniform and slightly whitish. The texture should be creamy, not grainy. At this point, you might be wondering what this is actually used for. Hold on. The best part is coming. If you're going to try this at home, comment yes, so I know. Now transfer the mixture into a small, clean jar. Any jar you have at home will work. And here's the reveal. This simple homemade mix works as a powerful skin softener and gentle exfoliator. The Vaseline deeply moisturizes while the baking soda helps remove dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling renewed. To use it, apply a generous layer to your hands or feet. Then cover the area with a plastic glove, a sock, or a soft cloth. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. This gives the ingredients time to work properly. Rate this tip from 0 to 10 while you wait. I really want to know what you think. After the time is up, remove the covering and rinse with warm water. And here's the result. Skin that feels noticeably softer, smoother, and more hydrated. No dryness, no rough patches, just a clean, refreshed feeling. Since I discovered this trick, I use it regularly, especially when my skin feels dry or tired. And the best part is that it only uses 2 simple ingredients you already have at home. You'll never look at Vaseline and baking soda the same way again. If you have a similar home hack, share it in the comments. If you made it this far, like the video and send this to someone who needs softer skin. Try it today and come back to tell me how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Grate a beet. This is the secret that pharmacies don't want you to know. Place all the grated beet in a container. Add the juice of 3 limes and finish with 2 tablespoons of honey. Cover it and leave it in the refrigerator for a few hours. 2 tablespoons of this mixture a day improve circulation, relieve pain and fatigue, strengthen immunity, improve the liver, enhance skin tone, and help with hair loss.